Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to show you how to connect your Retell AI agent with your own CRM, or in this case we are using ClickUp, and I'm making this tutorial as a request from somebody who commented on one of my earlier videos. Hopefully I can help you out with this, So why would we want to do this? We want to do this if your business has a lot of inbound callers. You want to make sure that your AI agent knows some custom information about this customer, like any upcoming appointments, etc. It's very flexible. And yeah, guys, I'm not going to talk too much. I'm just going to show you guys first of all how this works. Here we have our scenario, and we have a webhook here, and we want to make sure that it gets triggered first. So we want to connect the webhook with our Retell agent. So how are we going to do this? We have to create a webhook. If you don't see, you're not going to see this because you have to create a new webhook. You just make a new webhook. You say like my inbound agent, something like this, It's going to create a webhook for you. And then what you want to do is you want to copy it and you want to head over to Retell and you want to put it within your inbound call webhook URL. So what now happens is that when somebody calls this agent, I assume you have this agent set up for your inbound calls, that is first going to trigger the scenario, and after the scenario is triggered, only then it's going to pick up the phone, And what we have here is our prompt. You can make this however you want, of course, for your own business. But these are kind of important, guys, because here we have our own custom variables. We have the first name, we have the appointments, we have the current date. And basically what we do with the inbound call webhook URL is that when somebody calls in, our make scenario is going to run and it's going to be able to fill in these variables with our own information based on our own database, So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to call this agent up, this phone number, and we're going to see if she knows what appointment I have, my upcoming appointment. So let me get the phone number real quick. All right, guys, I forgot to run the scenario. Now it's running. So now we're going to call the AI agent and see what she's going to say.
This is Kate from Denicare's appointment department. How can I assist you today?
Yes, hello, Kate. Do you know what my name is?
Hi there. Yes, your name is Adam Stevens. How can I assist you today, Adam?
Yeah, that's right. And do you know what my upcoming appointment is?
Yes, Adam. Your upcoming appointment is on Wednesday, February 19th, 2025 at 1 p.m. Would you like to confirm, reschedule, or cancel it?
No, that's fine. Yeah, guys, she's saying 1 p.m., but it's 2 p.m. It's logical because here we have we're using Amsterdam time zone. But basically, if I use like no time zone, it's gonna say 2 p.m. So it's always gonna. You can put your own time zone here later, But as you can see, it works. She knows she can retrieve the data from our CRM, which is ClickUp here. And this is very useful, guys. So I'm going to run you guys through the automation real quick, how it works. So, of course, we have the inbound call. And Retell is going to give us some information. It's going to give us the LLM ID, the from number, and to number. And what's very important for us is especially the from number, because we're going to use this to differentiate between all our customers. But that will come later. So once we get the webhook, we're going to assign any variables we need. In this case, we have the first name of our customer and the appointments. And we're going to just assign for now empty strings because now it's empty. We don't know it yet. But we're just going to make sure the scenario knows, okay, these are the variables we are going to use, Then we have a router. And it's first going to check within our ClickUp system if this patient exists. And how it's going to do that? We're going to first, you're going to want to connect your own ClickUp CRM with this node, of course. And then it's going to filter based on a field ID. So here we have a field ID, which is basically the field ID for a phone number. And it's going to see if it basically equals the from number. So it's going to check if the number that is calling is existent within our list. And if it is, it's going to return all the information for this specific customer, So that's what we're doing here. And it actually did. As you can see here, it's going to output the name, so the name Adam Stevens. And how it did that, it went through the custom fields. It looked at the phone number and it saw, okay, this is equal to the person that is calling. So now we can retrieve our custom fields, and it's going to give us the appointment. And guys, ClickUp is a little bit weird because it returns dates in milliseconds. I believe this is Unix. And how we deal with this is we format the date from the Unix to year, day, month, hour, minute, Europe/Amsterdam. It looks a bit confusing, but it's very simple. Like if you hover over format date, it's going to show you different ways how you can format this, so you can get a bit of an understanding. And now it's formatting to Europe, Amsterdam, but you can also be like any other city, you can do like Europe, London, for example. It's going to give London back afterwards. So once we have the person, we're going to take our earlier variables and we're going to set it based on the information we just received from this customer. So in this case, we're going to use test name. Yeah, it's a bit confusing. Test name is basically the same as the name of this person. And we're also going to, like I said, we're going to format the date. We're going to make sure to get the appointments based on our time zone. And yeah, guys, so after it did that, it's going to fall back. And we're going to get those variables we set earlier. So the first name and the appointments. And we're going to feed this back into the webhook response. Because we want to communicate back to our agent that these are the variables we've received. And we're going to give it back. So it can fill these variables in. If I go back to Retell, it's going to fill it in this prompt, So now the AI knows, use these variables when available, patient name, patient following appointments, etc. So very, very powerful stuff. You can use this basically for any kind of business. And yeah, guys, I really hope this helps you. In the description, so you can download it and you can hopefully use this for your own business. And if there are any comments or any requests, feel free to ask me. I would love to help you guys out. I really like tinkering with these systems. I like Retell. I like LiveKit. I like this whole shit. So yeah, let me know, guys, and good luck, man.